Okay, very important and interesting concept. That is nothing but abstraction. Okay, that is nothing but abstraction. Now try to understand here what is abstraction. Okay, now try to understand what is an abstraction. Okay, how we can achieve the abstraction. Now here try to understand very clearly here. Abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation details and showing the functionality. Okay, now abstraction is nothing but what here, hiding the implementation and showing the functionality. Okay, abstraction is abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation. Okay, abstraction is the process of abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation, and showing the functionality. Okay, abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation and showing the functionality. Right. Now try to understand, sir. Here, for example, whenever you visit to that ATM center, in that ATM we are inserting the ATM card. In that ATM, here we are entering the money. Okay, we are entering the PIN number. After that, we are entering the withdrawal money. For example, some 5,000 or 10,000. After clicking on that withdraw button, we'll get the money. Just we know the functionality. It's nothing but go to that ATM, insert the card, enter your PIN number, enter your amount, enter your withdraw OK button. Okay, then automatically we'll get that amount. That's we know. I mean, that is a functionality. That's functionality we know. But here, how internal works? Okay, what is going on internally? That we don't know. Okay, so that is nothing but abstraction. So abstraction is nothing but what here? Hiding the implementation and showing the functionality. That is nothing but what's are here? Abstraction. Okay, okay, sir, done. Abstraction is nothing but process of hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. Then, how we can achieve the abstraction? Is nothing but we can achieve the abstraction in two ways, sir. Okay, how many ways we can achieve the abstraction here? Two ways we can achieve the abstraction. That is nothing but the first one is abstract classes. Okay, what is the first one now here? Abstract classes. Next, the second one is interfaces. Okay, interfaces. By using these two ways we can achieve the abstraction. Okay, abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation, showing the functionality. Next, we can achieve this abstraction in two ways. That is nothing but what's are here? Abstract classes and interfaces. Now we'll go through that first, abstract classes. Sir, what is meant by abstract class? Okay, what is meant by abstract class? Okay, how to implement this abstract classes? That all the stuff now we are going to learn. Okay, now try to understand, sir. Here, first, what is meant by abstract? What is meant by abstract? So actually, we are calling he's a abstract fellow. He's a abstract fellow, like that we are saying. Abstract is nothing but incomplete. Okay, abstract is nothing but what's are here? Incomplete, not a fulfill. It's an incomplete. Okay, in technically, it's like a abstract is a keyword, sir. Okay, now abstract is what's are here? Abstract is a keyword. Abstract is a keyword. It is applicable for like a classes and methods. Okay, abstract is applicable for what's are here? Classes and methods. Okay, right? So now here abstract is a keyword which is applicable for classes and methods. And what is meant by abstract here? Not complete, or we can say incomplete. Okay, okay, sir, done. Now first tell me what is meant by abstract class, sir. Okay, what is meant by abstract class? So abstract class is nothing but the class which is a prefix with the class which is prefix with the abstract keyword. Okay, the class which is prefix with abstract keyword is known as abstract class. Okay, now tell me what is meant by abstract class here? The class which is prefixed with the abstract keyword is known as what, sir? Here, abstract class. So for example, now here I am trying to create one class. Okay, and now here I am trying to create one class. So try to understand, sir, here. Okay, class class demo. So like that, here I'm creating one class. This is a normal class only, right? This is any abstract class? No, it's not abstract class. So abstract class is prefixed with the abstract keyword. Okay, the abstract class is prefixed with what, sir? Here, abstract keyword. So this is an abstract class. Okay, this is an what, sir? Here, abstract class. Okay, sir, done. Okay, no problem. Now we know what is meant by abstract class. Next, after that, here try to understand what is meant by abstract methods. I said abstract keyword is applicable for what? Classes and methods. Now, what is the purpose of what is meant by abstract method? Okay, same thing. Now here also, abstract method is nothing but the method which is prefixed with, okay, the method which is prefixed with the abstract keyword. Okay, the method which is prefixed with the abstract keyword is known as abstract method. Okay, is known as what, sir? Here, abstract method, right? So the method which is prefixed with the abstract keyword is known as what? Here, abstract method. Okay, now try to understand here. I'll give that I'll give the syntax also. Example, that is nothing but, and another one thing, the main thing is abstract methods. Abstract methods have only declaration. Abstract methods will have only declaration, but not not implementation. Okay, but not what? Here, implementation. Are you able to understand what I am saying now here? The method which is prefixed with abstract keyword is known as abstract method. Next, abstract methods is having only declaration but not implementation. And the abstract methods are end with the semicolon. Okay, abstract methods are end with what here? Semicolon. Okay, try to understand. I want to create one method. So actually, normal way how we can create the method now? Public void, we can say m1 method. So like that I'm creating method. Okay, but now I want to create abstract method. First tell me what is meant by access modifiers. Public, private, protect, default. What about modifiers? Static, final, abstract. So abstract is a modifier also. So now tell me here, I have to use what, sir? Here, public abstract. Okay, public abstract. So the method is prefixed with abstract keyword is known as what, sir? Here, abstract method. Okay, abstract, after writing the method, here we are opening the braces like this, right? So for this abstract method, there is no implementation. Okay, just like that, here we have two abstract methods, and the abstract method should end with the semicolon. Okay, this is nothing but what's are here? Abstract methods. Okay, the method which is prefixed with abstract keyword is nothing but the method which is prefixed with abstract keyword is nothing but abstract method. Abstract methods don't have any implementation, only have declaration. Okay, now only have what here? Declaration. So abstract method don't have like this implementation. Okay, only it's ended with the semicolon. Okay, now you guys are able to understand what I am saying now here. Okay, now we know what is meant by abstract class and the abstract method. Next, after that, here try to understand, sir, what is meant by concrete class, sir? Okay, what is meant by concrete class? The terminology is very important. So now try to understand here. Concrete class is nothing but the class which is not prefixed with the class which is not prefixed with the abstract keyword. Okay, the class which is not prefixed with abstract keyword is known as concrete class. Okay, the class which is not prefixed with the abstract keyword is known as what, sir? Here, concrete class, right? So now try to understand here. Okay, now try to understand. I'll give the one example also. So here I'm creating one normal class, and my class name is demo, and this class is having any prefix with abstract keyword here. Any abstract keyword is there? No, there is no abstract keyword. This is nothing but a concrete class. Concrete class is nothing but normally we are creating the classes, right? That classes is nothing but concrete classes. Then abstract class is nothing but the abstract class is prefixed with the abstract keyword. Okay, now we know what is meant by concrete class. Say yes or no, boss? Right. Okay. Now we'll go through the next one. That is nothing but a concrete method. Okay, that is nothing but what, sir, here? Concrete method. Sir, what is meant by concrete method, sir? The concrete method is nothing but the method which is not prefix with, okay, the method which is not prefix with the abstract keyword. Okay, the method which is not prefix with what's are here abstract keyword is known as a concrete method. Okay, the method which is not prefix with abstract keyword is known as what here? Concrete method, right? Next, after that, here try to understand the concrete methods will have declaration as well as implementation also. Okay, concrete methods will have what here? Declaration as well as implementation. For example, try to understand. Here I'm creating one method, public void m1 method, and here I'm opening the curly braces, and here we can write, I can write some implementation also. Say yes or no. Something, some statements also we can write, right? Are you able to understand what I'm saying now here? So the method which is any prefix with abstract keyword is available here? No. Okay, the method which is not prefix with abstract keyword is known as concrete methods. Concrete methods will have declaration as well as implementation.